was fun. So I just got my first ride on Indian Chief. This thing's a fun bike. I'm actually a little bit surprised at how peppy it is. Off the bottom, the thing just, it reminds me of Challenger, which is a trip. But this motor has so much more torque, so much more energy. It just feels like a different bike. The throttle off the bottom is instantaneous. I can't wait to actually get it up to speed and on some twisty roads and see how it's gonna work. But from what I can tell right now, our biggest issue is ground clearance, and we're decking out super early. Not that any cruiser doesn't deck out super early, and this thing sits pretty low, but I gotta tell you, I'm psyched. This thing's awesome. So we took a ride on stock Chief, and now you're probably wondering, what are we gonna do with this thing? Chief is Indian's entrance into that mid-weight big twin market, and this is a bike that we're gonna turn into a road racer, and let me show you what we're gonna do to it. We're gonna start here, and then we are going to end up here. Magic. We're not like grinding cases, we're not cutting the frame up, we're not drilling a bunch of holes and everything. We're really just taking everything that we don't need off the bike and putting all the new stuff on the bike that we do need and want on it. It's gonna probably end up weighing mid 500 pounds. It started off 670, so we're looking to lose about 100 pounds off the bike. The guys were looking at some CAD data, and in here is a list of names. A little bit of love goes into these bikes for sure. We're gonna be racing this thing in Salt Lake City with our good friend Rennie Skaysbrook.
I have a feeling that, like, with the amount of mass that this thing's gonna have when you get off the throttle, that it's all gonna get thrown on the front. So a little bit of something here would be nice, even if you just like made it, like carried the same line of the tank even, and just something you can kind of lean against a little bit, but definitely something between there and there. Let me just try that just to see.
Did you want to
just put a
flip?
Yeah. Hey man, I'm from Australia, everything's backwards down there. Yeah, the first thing is, it actually feels so much better.
Does it?
Yeah.
Is that what you want? You want to start there?
We'll start there.
We'll start there.
Start
Okay.
there.
All right. So we've got about a month to build this bike. We're gonna have a lot of people get together to make this thing happen and get it on the racetrack in this short amount of time. But this is what we do. This is what we love to do. And we're gonna get this thing out to Salt Lake ready for Rennie to rip and shred and try and win this big twin class.